Just went through and all my size 12s just got put in a box. All my size 10s went in that box too. And I'm down to my size 8s, and they're actually on the looser side.
Love it. Gina's the diehard. Like, she shows up and does all the things, and clearly she's got the results to prove it because she's down
Closer to 30.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought we said 30 on Sunday. This is a good opportunity because I know we had some actions for you, Gina, on Sunday on bulk prepping. I know you said you don't like to cook, and we challenged you just a little bit, giving a little bit of tough love, talking about bulk prepping maybe some potatoes or rice or some carbs, because I think carbs is where you were struggling.
Yeah.
Get anywhere? I know that was only yesterday, but any more thought on that? Or do you need help with
we
that?
threw potatoes in the oven last night along with our tri-tip.
Awesome. Yeah.
You posted in the group, and so I was like, oh, so you ate potatoes after Denise yelled at you. She's like, I did, and we're having a salad.
I didn't yell. I yelled and then I gave you a hug.
Gina's caught her stride with the getting things online for the fat loss phase was great. And she's like one of the first people that ever went through my online programs. Like, how many years ago was it, Gina? 10 years ago, probably?
Yeah, at least or more.
I have the pictures still because she did phenomenal too. And yeah, I think it's just cool to pick up different strategies and be able to play around with things.
Yeah. So obviously I wasn't around back then with you guys. So I'd love to hear, what is it that about this program that has really kept you? Because 10 years is a long time. What is it that has kept you that you really enjoyed or that just clicked for you?
I did do the program and then disappear and gained it all back. So you got to stay on track.
Yeah.
And now that I'm on track, I'm planning on maintaining it. And this is just the program that's just not confusing. Everything's pretty much laid out there, and you do have a place to go for questions. So that's what you don't have anywhere else.
I love that.
Have you tried other areas, other programs and other things?
Yeah, there's B-Shred. There's a whole bunch of programs I probably have loaded on my phone that I started it and never went anywhere with it.
It's all,
yeah.
awesome. Oh, that's great.
And the workouts keep me in tune. I enjoy them versus 40,000 squat program.
And trust me, I was guilty of that as a personal trainer, where in the early days, and I think people are still prescribing that sort of stuff. But yeah, Regina does really good with accountability. Like, when she signs up, I know if she's signing up, she's going to do the thing.
Doing it.
She knows that too. And so she probably is, okay, if I'm signing up, I'm going to follow through.
Yeah.
The coaching piece of it for her.
And the weekly accountability with the measurements and that photo and everything else. And I like just being able to see that the changes.
Yeah.
Sooner or later, I might have to get a new swimsuit. The bottoms are about to fall off.
Yeah, we don't want your toes falling off in the, well, not that
awesome.
Yeah.
I just went through and all my size 12s just got put in a box. All my size 10s went in that box too. And I'm down to my size 8s, and they're actually on the looser side.
Love it. Love it. Yeah, I had a client tell me in one of her last check-ins, she said, I had to go shopping for new underwear because none of my underwear fit anymore. She's like, I just had a whole new underwear wardrobe. And I was like, that's like the best feeling, right? That's the best. I love that.
Yeah,
so
I'm having that
cool.
problem at work, thinking my underwear are sliding down as I'm going around doing my thing.
It's
Like, why are they getting all these wedgies, right?
It's great. I love it. Great feedback. All right, Missy. Well, we'll let you go. I know you got off work and you still got to tackle that. It's a leg day today. So go knock it.